Ooh. This is so good and crunchy. Hey there, welcome everyone. Thanks for coming to see another one of my videos, or if this is your first time here, I am grateful that you clicked on this. Today's video is going to be about a quick chocolate snack that's perfectly sweetened, not too sweet at all. It's really quick, and I think it's easy and affordable, and I think you'll enjoy it. I totally love really quick 3-ingredient treats. This one is really quick for someone who loves to use a microwave, because you can melt the chocolate in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and if it's still not melted, you could do another increment of 15 seconds to 30 seconds until it's fully melted, taking a good minute. Where for those of us like me who don't own a microwave, it takes a little bit more love to get it going over steaming water, and it's a little more tricky not to get burned as well, but you can do this. So these you can totally mold into any shape that you'd like. You can mold them into a shape, you can send them as bite-sized pieces, or you can send it as a whole chunk. You can do whatever you want. They're breakable like bark, and they're crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. They're awesome. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and even that bell button is very helpful if you want to see any more future videos. Let's get started. First, you're going to need Frosted Flakes. 3 cups is going to make the perfect mixture. Once you have your Frosted Flakes in a bowl, we're going to then boil some water. Once you've boiled your water, we're going to use enough to put into a separate bowl from the chocolate chips. Now you're going to need 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now you're going to place the separate bowl of chocolate chips on top of the bowl of boiling water. The hot water is going to help the chips melt as you continuously stir them. You want to make sure that you're moving the chips around enough so that each chip can individually start to melt as you turn and turn all the chocolate chips around in the bowl. Patience on this one, as the chocolate chips will slowly melt, but as soon as you get it to melt, You want to add the chocolate as quickly as possible to the cornflakes and start stirring it before they begin to harden all over again. It is best to work in batches. Get one part melted, add more chips, get that melted, and add the last remaining chips. This allows for each chip to get as much time near the heat so that they can all melt quickly together. Chocolate should be beginning to be the smoothest, creamiest, luxurious, silky smooth lining of chocolate you've ever seen. This means it's getting ready to go into the bowl with the flakes, and you want to work real quickly. Just keep stirring. Each cornflake will eventually be covered in chocolate until it is no longer yellow in color. Now it's time for the cranberries. You can even add other goodies such as chopped nuts, shredded coconut, raisins, or even more chocolate chips. Now if you plan to use molds, you want to work quickly to make sure you get them into their molds and shape them so that they can harden in this shape. Now that you have these in their preferred shapes, it is time to let them cool. If you're in a hurry, you can put them into the refrigerator for an hour or into the freezer for about 20 minutes. Once these have set, it's going to be hard to keep these around. are just in time for Valentine's Day. You can easily make a mold of this and then bag it up. Put a label on it, or tie it, make it pretty. You can leave it out for your loved one in a bowl, all broken up into pieces, or as whole pieces. Serve it with breakfast, with yogurt, with fruit, anything you want. This is perfect for the upcoming holiday. He does this part way better than me. What you got, babe?
Like and subscribe and hit the bell.
Yeah, I love it.